Welcome back to the Tile of Spain Pavilion, everybody. I'm here for one of our Showstoppers Live, talking to the manufacturers. Today we're talking to David Owen from Rocersa. We like to give everyone a little bit of a snapshot on what our different manufacturers, individual manufacturers' perspectives are, what they've been showing at the show, and how they're seeing the market moving forward. So welcome, David.
Thank you very much, Ryan. Good morning.
Good morning. So we were just chatting before, and you were saying that it's been a very good show for Rocersa.
Very successful indeed. We're very happy.
It's a company that's got a really rich history, and traditionally has been very, very strong in the exterior formats. That's a specialty for Rocersa.
That's correct. In the 2CM pavers, we were the very first factory in Spain to come out with the pavers. We're the pioneers, and we are still today the largest by far in terms of the range of products that we have to offer, and also the different sizes we offer as well.
And there's been a lot of investments in the company, and a lot of mergers and acquisitions that have been happening over the past couple of years. I think that's probably adding into some of your success at the show. You want to let us know what's new and what's happening?
For sure. I was also going to say we're still in expansion mode. The factory right now is investing a lot of money in a brand new kiln, which is coming online next month. We'll add an extra 40% capacity that we have. And also we have new offices, we have a new showroom, and also we're organizing right now a new logistical center as well. So there's a lot of things going on at Rocersa. We're putting a ton of money into it to be there well positioned for the future for the customers.
Yeah, that makes a big deal for reliability for distributors here when everything's kind of uncertain with logistics, and prices fluctuate and timelines fluctuate. So the more consistent your production is, and the agility that a logistics center provides is a big deal for customers today.
So most definitely.
So I know that in addition to the thicker product, Rocersa's been kind of pioneering some things for interior to match with the exteriors.
That is definitely correct. A lot of people now are wanting an indoor-outdoor combination. As we said, we're well known for the 2CM pavers, but all the sizes and all the series we have in the 2CM pavers, we also do in the 1CM as well, so you have an in and outdoor concept. Furthermore, recently, at the back end of last year, we had a non-large white body rectified wall tiles to marry up with a lot of those same concepts, and those are all the matte finishes. And we've also recognized that a lot of people are after the polished finishes too in the larger formats, from 24 by 48s on up to 48 by 48s. And again, we come out with a range of large body wall tiles to marry up with those as well. So we're trying to offer the full package, adding in all the mosaics as well, so that you can have a whole concept throughout a house in different sizes for different areas.
Yeah, and even more than that, I think one of the biggest innovations right now that really makes an impact for clients is thinner profile white body ceramics. So you can get the large formats in a much thinner profile, and that does some very good things, I think, for logistics.
Hopefully so. We're seeing that. That's our intention. Certainly, we've been producing 16 by 48 porcelain in slim 7mm for a couple of years now, with great success. And the reason for the success has been really for two main reasons. One, obviously, the amount of square footage you get on a container. You get about 30-35% extra. The other side is that it's easier for DIYers, very easy for them to go and fix themselves and install. And then the other advantage is that for projects with architects, that especially we're dealing with restaurants or hotels where they can't afford to have a lot of downtime, then you can go and just tile straight over an existing wall, and you haven't got to do any tear outs with all the time and noise and mess that makes.
Yeah, that's a huge thing for both landfill waste and for time and expense for the client. And a 30% increase of area per container is a huge deal for the bottom line.
Oh, it's huge. And right now, I didn't mention it before, I said 16 by 48 is the size we've had for a while, but now we're offering it to 12 by 24s, 24 by 24s, 24 by 48s, and 40 by 40s as well.
Yeah, so I mean, a company like yours that is deeply investing in innovation is a little bit insulated, I think, from some of the volatility that we're experiencing in the industry. So I'm not surprised that you've had a great show.
Yeah, certainly we've had a lot of people.
Well, thank you so much, David. It's been a pleasure to talk to you. I hope everyone has a chance to visit Rocersa and continue after the show as well.
Thank you very much, Ryan. Thank you. That was great.